Welcome to Firgelli Automations. Today we are looking at the two-link Planar Forward Kinematics Solver Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine exactly where your robot arm's end effector will be positioned based on link lengths and joint angles. Forward kinematics is fundamental to robotics. Given a two-link planar arm, this calculator computes the end effector's x and y coordinates using trigonometric equations. You input the length of each link and the angle of each joint. The calculator then applies the forward kinematics formulas, combining cosine and sine functions of your joint angles multiplied by link lengths. The interactive diagram shows your arm configuration in real time, making it easy to visualize how changing angles affects the final position. This is essential for programming robot movements and verifying arm designs. Find this and all 327 engineering calculators at firgelliauto.com.